Ẹ̀yin tèmi, I greet you. On this video of Alaafin Ọba ẹni ìtàn Ògúnwùsì tí wọ́n lọ kí ọba Alaafin tuntun Ọba Hakeem Owóadé. That video has been generating a lot of controversies on the internet. Àwọn kan sọ pé ó yẹ kí Alaafin tuntun dìde kí Ooni of Ife ni. Àwọn kan sọ pé kò yẹ kí Alaafin dìde kí anybody. That Alaafin is so supreme as a king that he is not supposed to stand up and greet anybody. Then some people on the other side said Ooni of Ife is a superior king, that in fact in the first place he was not even supposed to go and be shaking those kings in the first place, that he was supposed to, sit on his throne, that all those other kings, they are supposed to be coming and be bowing down to him, because they are saying he is the #1 king in Yoruba land. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti ń jà fitafita gan, àwọn èèyàn ti sọ oríṣiríṣi nípa ẹ̀ gan. Mo wo fídíò yẹn lóòótọ́, fídíò yẹn lẹ̀ ń wò lórí screen. Mo wo fídíò yẹn lóòótọ́, I watched the video back and forth, mo wo times without number. My own conclusion is that àwa èèyàn gangan, àwa Yorùbá, like peace, nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa dénú. Because I see, me personally, my own personal opinion, I don't see anything wrong in that gesture. See, let me break it down for you. Àwọn kan gbà wípé Ile-Ife is the cradle of the genesis of Yoruba. That is the foundation of Yoruba. So Oba Ife supersedes every other king in Yoruba land. As a matter of fact, a lot of people made reference to Oba Sijuade Ooni ti tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé Ooni ti tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn, he was so powerful that even tí Ooni yẹn bá lọ sí ìlú òyìnbó, ó ní àwọn respect tí wọ́n máa ń fún Ooni Sijuade tẹ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n kì í fún anybody. But I am putting it to you straight up. This present Ooni, the reason why this present Ooni is acting like this, you will see him on a lot of issues, a lot of things he has done. Ooni of Ife tó wà ńbẹ̀, Ọba Adéyẹyè Ògúnwùsì. Ooni of Ife yìí ó jẹ́ ọba tó love peace. He is not a garrulous king. He is not someone that always like to claim superiority over all other kings. That is why ní time tí Ooni yìí àti Ọba Ìwó, when they were having that back and forth, Ọba Ooni fúnra ara wọn, òun gangan ló lọ make sure pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn níyànjú, torí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ fà gan, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó lè dá wàhálà lẹ̀ gan. But Ooni tí mò ń wò yìí, even from his looks, from his personality, you will see that he's a man of peace. Meanwhile, it is a true leader must be able to take a lot of things. Number you throw at him, a true leader must be able to take a lot of insults, whatever you throw at him. A true leader must be able to take that. That is the quality leadership tèmi rí nínú Ooni of Ife yìí. Mo rí pé Ooni of Ife yìí òun ṣe èèyàn tó wà garrulous. Mi ò mọ bẹ́yìn ṣe ń rò, bọ̀ bẹ́mi ṣe rí nìyẹn. Òun lè fi rí pé a lot of things máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tí Ooni yẹn máa ń gbójú, tí kò kí ń really claim superiority lórí àwọn kankan. Because normally, according to history, wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé Ife òun ni orísun Yorùbá. So any ọba that is sitting on that throne supersedes every other king in Yoruba land. That is one fact that I know. But ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé yẹn sí apá kan. Now, when you pay attention and look at the throne of Alaafin as a throne, if you look at that throne, you will realize wípé any ọba tó bá ti ń pè ní Alaafin of Ọ̀yọ́. Now we are talking Yoruba tradition now. Alaafin of Ọ̀yọ́ ń ṣe ọba lásán. Ibi tó ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ Alaafin Ọ̀yọ́ dé, wọ́n ní Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ kò lè foríba, kò lè tẹríba fún ẹni ọba kankan. Ṣé wá rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti ń pín sí méjì. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ wo, if you look at the previous Alaafin, Ọba Lamidi, Ọba Lamidi was so strong, he was so powerful. As a matter of fact, ikú bàbá yèyè, ọmọ ikú tí ikú ò gbọdọ̀ pa, ọmọ àrùn tí àrùn ò gbọdọ̀ ṣe. Even the eulogy, oríkì yẹn lásán, oríkì ọba Ọ̀yọ́, ibẹ̀ lẹ máa ti mọ̀ pé ọba yẹn ò kì í ṣe ọba lásán. Then a lot of people have been saying, àwọn ọba tó ń jẹ láyé ìsìn, they are not as powerful as those ones tí wọ́n jẹ láyé ìgbà yẹn. Wípé àwọn yẹn wọ́n ní agbára, wọ́n lógun. Èmi máa ń sọ fúnra àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kán shut up. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní ọba ni. If you know what it takes to be a king, especially a king on that level, I'm talking Alaafin level, before you could be crowned that, that throne, before you could sit on that throne, no be small thing. I'm clearing you, no be small thing. It is not ordinary person cannot sit on that throne because of a lot of things that have gone under the bridge, a lot of water that has gone under that bridge traditionally. Kó tó lè di Aláàfin, Ifá máa sọ̀rọ̀, àwọn Ọ̀yọ́mèsì wọ́n máa jókòó. Tí Ifá bá ti wá mú èèyàn kan, do you know how long it took them to select this, to bring up this Alaafin, this new one, this Alaafin Owóadé? Kò kí n ṣe kéré mi. Do you know how many years? So mo kàn ń sọ eléyìí, mo fi yàn ọ̀nà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. I'm just analyzing this, this situation that both Alaafin, and Ooni, I'm talking the thrones now, wọn kì í fi orí balẹ̀ fúnra wọn. Nǹkan tẹ́ rí nínú fídíò yẹn gangan òun nìyẹn. For a lot of people that does not know, Alaafin ò kì í ṣe ọba yẹpẹrẹ. Alaafin ó lọ fà. So now, èyí tó jẹ́ kókó nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gangan, the most important thing, the supremacy, the hierarchy, this one, that one, is not really important. You know what is important? It is the peace and love that the two thrones must foster between one another. That will bring a lot of development to Yoruba land as a whole. Nǹkan tó jájú gangan nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nìyẹn. Instead of saying Aláàfin ó yẹ kó tẹríba, ó yẹ kí Aláàfin dìde kó kí Ooni as a sign of respect. It tó wà important ni true love and peace, because a ti gbọ́ nínú tàn wípé Aláàfin àti Ooni wọ́n ti ní a lot of back and forth. Èyí tó jẹ́, I'm talking Ooni Síjúadé and Alaafin Ọba Lamidi, gbogbo àwọn kìíní yẹn ìjà kò sí nǹkan kan nínú ìjà ò pé ìjà ò lè mú any development wá sínú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Òun lè máa fi rí pé this Ooni ọba ẹni ìtàn Ògúnwùsì, ẹ máa rí pé gbogbo ibi tí ìjà bá ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ibẹ̀ lẹ máa ti rí tó máa try láti parí ìjà. And that is the essence of that throne, because a true leader must be able to foster peace. You have to be able to settle a lot of disputes tó bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, as long as it is Yoruba land. So ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó lọ fà gan. Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn. Eventually when this new Alaafin was crowned, I said eventually it's been I think over 2 years there was no Alaafin. So bá ṣe wà yìí nsìn, ó yẹ kí ni gbogbo wa máa dùn ni. Kò yẹ ká wá máa sọ pé Aláàfin kò dìde kí Ooni of Ife. Ìyẹn kọ́ ló ṣe kókó, ìyẹn kọ́ ló ṣe pàtàkì, bí kò ṣe peace àti love tó yẹ kó wà láàrin wọn. Ìyẹn apá kan ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Another thing tí mo fẹ́ highlight nínú fídíò yìí, òun ni wípé tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn ọba wa, like ìtàn tá gbọ́ nípa Aláàfin tó jẹ before Aláàfin Ọba Lamidi, wọ́n ní he was so powerful that nígbà tí politician kan Bank Anthony ni àbí politician kan tó jẹ́ the leader of Western ní Nàìjíríà, ẹni politician yẹn ló wà in charge àwọn traditional kings and council tí wọ́n lọ ṣe meeting kan tí Aláàfin yẹn wá wọlé dé tí politician yẹn wá rò bóyá ó late. Bottom line story tí mo try láti sọ yìí ni pé politician yẹn ó disrespect Aláàfin yẹn nígbà yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ wípé according to story wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé Aláàfin yẹn ó pàṣẹ wípé bó ṣe ń pariwo tó ń gbó mọ́ òun yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kó máa gbó lọ. According to story wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé politician yẹn ó padà gbógbógbó tó fi kú ni according to history. So kí ni ìtàn yẹn fẹ́ kọ́ wa? Ìtàn yẹn ń kọ́ wa wípé it shows how powerful those kings used to be back then. They used to be very, very powerful. Wọ́n ní agbára débi pé o ò lè disrespect wọn anyhow. But in this time and era, a lot of things have changed. Òun lè máa fi ń rí i pé at times recently àwọn politicians the way tó fi ń disrespect àwọn ọba. Politician mi ò tiẹ̀ ní kò ní dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí ọba. Politician mi the rate tó máa fi sọ̀rọ̀ sí ọba ó máa wà disgusting, ó máa wà condescending, because when you talk like that to a king, that means you are out to disrespect that king intentionally. Òun yẹn sọ pé a lot of things have changed. You got me? So now lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí èmi feel pé respect táwọn ọba ayé ìgbà yẹn máa ń ní, we are supposed to go back to that respect now. That is what is paramount, because èèyàn tó bá ta ara ilé ẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀ kò lè ríra lọ́wọ́n. Bọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn. At this point now, I just hope our politicians can be respecting our kings the way our kings has been respecting them. It doesn't matter bóyá àwọn politicians ni wọ́n fún àwọn ọba wa ní owó, kò matter. Respect is reciprocal. This is our tradition. Kò yẹ ká máa fọwọ́ yẹpẹrẹ mú. Nǹkan tí fídíò ìdálé lórí gangan nìyẹn. Jeff Owólẹ́wà is my name. I'll see you on the other side. Hala.